Alright guys, today we're going to talk about a gimbal for your smartphone, so stay tuned to the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, and gear tips, then you have come to the right place. Today we're going to be taking a look at the DJI OSMO 3 mobile phone gimbal. So this is what it comes in if you purchase the combo. Now you can buy it in two ways. You can buy just the gimbal or you can buy the combo. The combo comes with this awesome hard-sided case. It also comes with this soft-sided bag. It comes with the gimbal that folds down like so. It comes with a small tripod that's about yay big. I did not bring it out here. I completely forgot to grab that. And it also comes with the charging cable that you need to charge your gimbal. So you can see right here is where you plug in to charge that. And it folds down really nice and compact. So let's talk about this case real quick, because if you get this combo, you're gonna wanna get the combo if you want to get this gimbal. So you've got your case here, and then on the back side you've got a elastic little pocket that you can put stuff in. Works out really good. I love this. I'm not worried about this gimbal when I throw this in my backpack and take it somewhere. So that's the case. Now I can't show you my phone in here because I'm recording on my phone, but this is your gimbal, and basically it just folds out and looks just like this. Okay, so when you get it, it's going to have a little sticker up here and it tells you which way to put your camera. One thing you're going to want to do before you turn it on and you mount your camera or your phone in here, before you turn this on, you're going to want to level it. So what that means is you hold it like this, put your phone in, and make sure that it's centered. It's not going to pivot one way or the other. So you want to get it all centered in there before you ever turn it on. Now some of the cool features about this gimbal, let me get to my cheat sheet. Some of the cool things about this, you have gesture control. So you can mount on this tripod, you can set it up, and then you can move your hands and tell it what to do, and it will do what you tell it to do with your gesture control. It's got a dolly zoom, it'll do panoramas, it'll do slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, sport mode. You can double click this trigger right here and it'll lock in and it'll follow whatever you want to follow. It has story mode, which you may have seen if you follow me on Instagram. You may have seen some of those story modes. I've done it with some of my beard products. You go into the app. It has its own app, DJI Memo app, M-I-M-O. And when you go into that app, you can go to story mode and it'll tell you, you pick the theme, it adds the music, and all you do is set it and take like 4 pictures. It rolls them all into a video. It is really, really awesome, really cool feature. The other thing this has is if you are doing selfie mode and you're doing a vlog or something like that and you're walking around, you can lock it to your face. So no matter what you do, this gimbal is going to follow your face and you will not leave the screen. It is amazing. I love that feature. I've played around with it a little bit and it is really cool. So this is a 3-axis gimbal for your mobile phone. Other thing you can do is, this is your charging port to charge your gimbal. Right here is a USB port, so you can actually plug your phone in and charge your phone while it is here. You can do everything, control everything in the camera app that's in your phone from this. You don't even have to touch your phone. You control everything from here, from flipping it to video mode, to picture mode, to changing from landscape to portrait mode. Everything you can do here. On this side you have a zoom and wide, so you can bring it in, you can zoom out, you can zoom in, and it is really functional if you use a gimbal for anything or you want to use a gimbal for stuff. This is amazing. DJI has amazing products, we all know that, but this gimbal is absolutely amazing. I love it. So It retails for $119 if you buy just the gimbal. Now, if you want to buy the combo, it's $139. I mean, you just pay the extra 20 bucks. I'm telling you, because that case, the tripod, all that is most definitely worth the $20. You will thank me if you buy this and you get this hard case. You won't have to go hunting for a case to put it in if you travel or anything like that. I absolutely love this. I'll try to throw in some clips of me using it and doing various things, but like I said, I can't show you the phone in it because I'm recording with the phone. So, but yeah, if you are interested in a gimbal, highly recommend this. I will drop links to both Amazon and DJI where you can go check this out. DJI may be running some promos. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. You can check it out. But it just folds all nice and neat. Sometimes it takes a little playing with to make sure it's all twisted around the right way. To get it to fold up, as you can see, it's a 3-axis gimbal, so it turns and twists all sorts of ways. You can fold it up with your phone in it, so if you just want to throw it in a bag, and you cannot put your phone in it and put it in this case, but if you are just going to be traveling from point A to point B, to do filming, you can leave your phone in this, fold it up and put it in your backpack, and it will be fine. There's no way to set your balance on here. You just have to do it. Now, there's some phone cases that will not allow you to mount it in here with the phone case on it, so keep that in mind. My iPhone 11, I have just the OtterBox commuter case, just a basic, and it does fit in here with the commuter case on here. So again, highly recommend this. It's an amazing gimbal for what it is and for the price. So if you got any questions, drop them in the comments. I will gladly answer them. That's it. That's it for today. Go check out DJI OSMO 3 mobile gimbal. Highly recommend it. It is a game changer when it comes to filming with your cell phone. That's it, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.